Hey, I've got to tell you how different it feels to finally use a machine that doesn't just keep up, it leads. The Mantis V2. This isn't for someone who's okay with compromises, dropped frames, or long load screens. This is for you, the person who knows what true performance feels like because you've chased it before. Before you read another word, check the current price and stock. A rig this powerful doesn't hang around. You've probably hit that breaking point with your old setup. Maybe a game stuttered right when you needed smooth motion, maybe massive projects bogged down, maybe multitasking felt like a juggling act. That's the moment you knew something had to change. You outgrew patience with good enough. You deserve responsive, instant execution. The first time you power on the Mantis V2, you immediately feel it. Instinctive responsiveness. Applications launch like they were already open before you clicked. Games don't just load, they come alive. That's what 16 real cores on an RTX 5080 feels like, not a smooth maybe, but a consistent yes. When you feel that level of performance, anything slower feels like a lull. Now imagine firing up every AAA title with settings maxed, visuals rich, frame rates smooth, physics sharp. Picture editing massive video timelines or 3D projects without a hint of hesitation. Think about running a stream, recording clips, and running apps in the background, all without a hiccup. This isn't just specs on paper, this is experience. If you find yourself thinking about waiting for a price dip or second-guessing which rig to pick, understand this: every time you consider something weaker, you come back here because you know what real performance feels like. Delaying this just means delaying the moment when everything finally works the way you want it to. Maybe you worry a machine this powerful feels like overkill for daily tasks. The truth is, once you're in it, that becomes exactly what makes it feel effortless. Smooth transitions. Instant responses. A system that behaves like it expects to deliver instead of tries hard. And here's something most people don't realize until they experience it: this kind of power turns everyday computing into something satisfying. You don't notice the performance, you notice how little effort it takes. There's pride in owning something this capable. When someone glances at your setup, they see not just lights and components, they see intentionally. You feel that confidence when the machine just works, every time you sit down. Performance that feels instantaneous, visuals that stay crisp under loads disappear instead of lagged, multitasking without compromise, responsiveness that becomes second nature. Yes, it's a high-end build. Yes, you'll feel the difference right away, because that's the whole point. At some point you stop comparing every mid-tier alternative and choose the system that finally matches your ambition. Don't let this be the upgrade you regret putting off. Check the price, decide with confidence, and finally experience performance that actually feels like yours.